Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, guys, and today I want to talk about one of the most important instruments you can ever have if you're doing any electrical work, or even though you're an HVAC guy. We all need multimeters. So I will just go through some of the functions of how to use the multimeter. This multimeter is one that I use every day. It is a field piece, and I will just go through the functions to show you exactly how I use this. So let's get started. So this here is like your dial, so we're gonna move this to wherever we want it. So if I'm gonna do voltage, I'm gonna just go right here to voltage. As you can see, I have the screen light up. This also have a light which you could put it on here, and then you could just take this lead here to one end of an electrical connection, and this other end also to the other end, and then this meter here will read voltage. Also, this is a field piece meter, but it will be the same for any other meter. If you're using an electrical meter, I would prefer you get the field piece. So this is your select here, and you see we could select hertz, or we could select AC. It's also have something called a rush amps, which is this little button here on the side, which I wouldn't get into right now because I just want to show you some of the functions of this meter. Also, there is on this one you have wattage, so we could just go over here to wattage, and if you're doing maybe a heat kit or something like that, you could just clamp it on, and that would also, you could just clamp this over the wire. So this will go over the wire, and then you have it rushing here, and then it will read amperage. So this is another one. One of the most important function that I use every day is a function called continuity. That one will tell you if there is a break in the wire, and what you will do, you will put this to continuity, and you will just take these two here and you will rush it, and if you get a song. So as you can see, continuity is that little sign here. It look like a speaker, right? So what we could do, we could just select it, and we're gonna, to know if we're on continuity, what we're gonna do, we're gonna touch these two ends. And you hear that beep? So then we will take these two leads and we will go to different sides of the wire, and it will also tell us if there is a break. And I'm not going to go through all the functions of the meter, of the electrical meter. I'm just going through some of the basic functions to show you exactly how to use it. This is a function you may not use a lot, but we use it a lot in the HVAC field. It's called MFD, and this is for if you're testing capacitors. And then it would, if it's a 45.5 or whatever capacitor, it will definitely tell you what it is. Okay. You could, also you have hertz, and then you have that amperage. If you want to read the amperage on the wire, you just take this again, and you will just clamp it on, and it will actually read the amperage. So it's just a basic meter, and I wanted to go through the functions of how to use it, because you want to be totally safe. Especially when you're doing electrical work, you want to make sure that you have a very, very good meter. So this is just showing you the function of the meter, and one of the most important one you will use is this. Just checking for AC. Let me go back here to voltage, and then you could just check from one end of the wire to the end of the wire, and then it will read voltage, and it will actually tell you exactly how much voltage you're reading. All right, guys, so you could also test from one end of this wire to also to the ground, and it will always tell you what you have in that wire. So this is just going through the basic function of a multimeter. All right, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.